From the station with the most local news in our West Michigan, Fox 17 News at 10 starts right now.
Being outside right now is like smoking cigarettes. It's not a joke.
First tonight, hundreds of wildfires in Canada are causing smoky skies across parts of the U.S., including here in Michigan. On your left is a look at Detroit, which according to IQ Air was ranked among one of the worst cities in the world today for air quality. The smoke has also been affecting air travel in places like New York, where a ground stop was ordered at LaGuardia Airport. A number of Broadway shows have also been postponed, and the Detroit Tigers game against Philly was also rescheduled. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Janice Allen. Tonight, the White House is deploying resources to help Canada fight those fires. But in the meantime, the conditions are raising concerns when it comes to breathing in the air. Marisa Overley is live in studio tonight after speaking with a local pulmonologist about what we need to keep in mind here. Marisa?
Yeah, Janice, well, here is a look at the air quality index, and it essentially describes the different categories that we are seeing with the smoke. Here at Fox 17, we are in the moderate category, and so the yellow here means air quality is acceptable, but those sensitive to things like air pollution may have more of a difficult time. Now, one of the easiest ways to avoid any particles in the air, stay indoors. But if that's not possible, experts recommend wearing a mask. Also, if you're running your air conditioner, try to make sure that it's high efficiency, or there's a high efficiency filter in there to help take out the smaller particle matters. And when it comes to those who may be most at risk in the smoky skies and diminished air quality, Dr. Timothy Dahm with Health West says it will be the young and older populations and pregnant women, as well as those with pre-existing heart or lung issues. He also says there are things to look out for as far as exposure.
And it can be subtle symptoms. It could be a little cough, throat irritation, congestion in your nose or sinuses, but it can be more severe. You know, if you already have compromised lung function or compromised heart function, you may have struggled to breathe, chest pain. Those are the things that would be more worrisome and would force you to want to seek medical attention. I think the take-home points are, this is a real issue. You would think that, well, maybe it's just being overblown, but again, this has been shown time and time and again to have significant adverse health impacts on vulnerable populations. So it's worth paying attention to, keeping an eye on the air quality index.
Now, if you'd like to check that index in your area, you can do so right now on our website at fox17online.com. Reporting in the studio tonight, Marisa Overley, Fox 17 News.